guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we are doing a very exciting video, so special, and I'm super excited to share these products with you. So today, me and Katie from TattooedMama, we recently did an unboxing of like a mystery box swap, which was super fun, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link it up above and also down below. But today we are coming back together, collabing together again, and we wanted to share with you guys our first impressions with the products that we sent each other. Sorry, I am talking with my hands because I am just super excited, and thank you again, Katie, for collabing with me and also sending me such amazing makeup, and I can't wait to share it with you and everyone here watching. So if you're interested to see the performance of the makeup that Katie sent me, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. To take a moment and share with you the jewelry that she also sent me. I did show you in the unboxing, but I didn't realize that they came with matching earrings, and this is so stunning, very simplistic, very me, and I love like the rustic gold tone, and yeah, this is just super cute. Honestly, I will be wearing this for a while. I love it. Thank you, Katie. It is gorgeous. And with that being said, let's zoom you in and start applying some makeup. Okay, so let's get into the makeup application. I am really excited. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera, and I will leave a link to how I do my brows when I'm applying makeup. If you guys just saw my excitement. But she got me the Glam Light Pizza Slice palette. This is the Meat Lovers, and Katie, thank you so much. I am so excited to have this in my collection. The packaging is just so stunning. It's definitely glam light. I love pizza. I'm on a diet, so at least I get to play with pizza. But yeah, this is just so cute. And taking a look on the inside, this is what the palette looks like. Oh, these shades are stunning. Pinks, purples, reds, browns, mattes, shimmers, metallics. I'm all about this palette. It does come with a mirror. So let's do some makeup application. I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original, and then we're just gonna jump in and create a look. Let's go. ahead and added black liner. I just used the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. Really nice. I think black, purple, pinks just go really well together. So let's move on to the rest of our face and we'll come back and finish off our eyes a little later. So the next product that she got me is the Beauty Blender Leveler. So this is a pore primer. It's a pore minimizing primer. And I was really curious to try this. I do have their foundation and I'm in shade 4.40. And so when they came out with their little foundation collection, I was curious. So let's give this a try. Now, because it is a pore minimizing, I wondered if it was like a silicone feeling. It doesn't have a scent that I can pick up and it comes out very tinted. So also I'm curious to see if it's going to kind of tint my skin. So let's just blotch this all over and we will blend it in. So like you can see, it is tinted. It definitely sticks out on my skin. Ooh, okay. But it looks like it goes away once you really rub it into your skin and it soaks in really quickly. I'm not spending a lot of time like rubbing it in. That's nice. Wow, that's really nice. Definitely a more even texture and I can tell that there is some type of like blurring effect. And yeah, this is really nice. So that's a nice product. And you get a decent amount of product in here. Like this will last me some time. And everything that I'm using, I am linking down below with prices and everything if you're interested. So we didn't get any foundation for each other. So I'm going to jump off camera, apply my foundation, and I'll be right back. So the next item that she got is a mascara. And this is the Damn Girl. I love the name. Like I feel like I'm always gonna do that when I say this mascara. But this is by Too Faced and it's the Damn Girl mascara. So if you don't know, I do have lash extensions on my upper lashes, so I can't put any type of waterproof mascara on them, but I will use this for my bottom lashes and see how it works. Okay, so this is a wand, super thick, but it's still grabbing onto my bottom lashes fine. I'm not getting any like transfer down to my cheek, and it looks like it is separating my lashes really nicely, adding a lot of volume to them. So I really liked the mascara as far as my bottom lashes go, so that is a really nice treat. And I can't wait. This is the step I've been excited to try. Okay, so we are diving into the Fenty. This is the Stunna lip paint in Unlocked. It is this gorgeous vibrant pink. So excited, so very excited. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. And I love that the packaging is so cute. It's like a nail polish type of unique packaging. So let's go ahead and apply Fenty Stunna in oh my gosh, like look. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. I know it. All right, so let's give this a try. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. That is the most stunning pink I have ever seen. This is so gorgeous. And it dries down, so I was a little worried because it was really liquidy, but it dries down really fast and it's not like taking out any moisture from my lips. It feels very comfortable, and this is just so stunning. So stunning. Thank you so much, Katie. Like, you just know my colors. This is, oh my gosh. This is stunning. I'm really excited. This is so stunning. And to finish off the items that she got me, the last thing we have here is the Huda Extra Hold Resting Boss Face Setting Spray. Whew, that is the name. And this is waterproof. Now let's give this a spray and see what we think. Okay. Which way should I do it? Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm trying to get my thoughts together. Okay, the scent of this is intense. Holy cow. Oh, that's like, you should, oh. I feel like I just sprayed perfume on my face. Holy cow, that is intense. Oh, and it lingers. Oh, it's still there. Okay, that, oh, okay. People weren't lying. Okay, so this smells like I just sprayed black opium all over my face. Like, it is intense. I love black opium, the perfume on my body, a little spray on the wrist, and I'm good to go. But this on the face is super intense. We're just gonna fan it a bit. But as far as my face, oh, my face actually feels really soft. And I don't know if it's the spray or the primer or a mixture of both, but my face feels really soft. It doesn't feel like sticky or like stuck. It feels fine. Like, my face feels fine. The spray went on really nicely. The mister is really nice. It's not continuous, so you do have to keep spraying, and you get a good amount for each pump. The only downfall, I would say, is the scent. This is intense, you guys. Like, this is still lingering. I still smell it, but we're just gonna keep our makeup on because I'm loving it. So this is the final look, and my final thoughts on all the products. Really, I love them. I really do, and thank you so much, Katie, for just putting so much thought into what items you were gonna give me, and you knew the colors that I love and that would really suit my skin tone. So I really appreciate you for taking that extra thought, and I love it. I think the most exciting item that I was like super thrilled to unbox and to use was the Glam Light Pizza Palette, and then the most exciting item that I think gave the most oomph and power to it would be the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Unlocked. You guys, I am loving this. This is definitely going to be in my staple. All of these products are going to be in my staples, and I was really intrigued to use the Beauty Blender Pore Minimizing Primer. I thought it was something fun and different as far as from Beauty Blender as a brand. So that's exciting. I love the foundation, and now I'm excited that I can add their primer into that makeup step routine. And as far as using the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Extra Hold Setting Spray, long name. As far as using this, the effect, nice. The spray, nice. The only downfall is the scent. This smells like perfume on my face and it's still there. So yeah, I will let you guys know if that scent ever dissipates. But as far as the overall look, I am loving it. This is something I would do every day. go out to work, go out to church, go out with some friends. You know I'm that kind of girl. So thank you so much, Katie, and thank you everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the products down in the comments, and I love chatting with you guys, so I'll meet you down there. And that is all I have for you, so I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.